Everything that I've tried from them, I think is very much up there in quality, like a gift for somebody or maybe like a gift for myself, like going online shopping tonight. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a drugstore holiday collection launch review. This is similar to the video I put out a few weeks ago talking about holiday collections. Brands are launching a ton of holiday collections and new products and it's overwhelming. I talked about a bunch of high-end collection launches. I talked about what I would get, what I actually had already got, what I don't think I'd get, what I don't think would be maybe worth it. And it's kind of like my wish list. What do I want to get this holiday season? As I mentioned, that was my high-end one, and today is the drugstore one. We have a lot to cover, so let's get right down to it. So the first brand that I'm going to talk about is ColourPop. This is a brand that I do definitely consider drugstore. I think price-wise, it's very reasonable, sometimes even better than brands you can find in the drugstore. So this brand came out with a bunch of new stuff recently, as they always are coming out with new stuff. And this one is the Dark Blooms collection. I actually got the fall collection. It's on its way, so stay tuned for a review of this product. This is definitely one that I was interested in because I'm so obsessed with ColourPop. I think quality of the eyeshadows, quality of the blushes, quality of the lipsticks, quality of the glosses, everything that I've tried from them, I think is very much up there in quality, very much high-end quality, but drugstore price, and I think that's so incredible. I got the whole collection. There's 3 eyeshadow palettes, 3 lip duos, so it's 6 lip products in total, and 3 blushes for $110. I don't even think you could get that much makeup in the drugstore for $110. You get the Baroque shadow palette, which has rich gunmetal and navy shades. It's a very cool toned shade, very kind of smoky. The Grandeur shadow palette, and this is like a gold and bronze. Out of all 3, it's probably the most neutral. Another good color scheme I think I'm gonna enjoy. And then you get the Ornate shadow palette, and it is warm reds, yellows, oranges. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna do a video reviewing these. I'll do 3 different looks with each palette. It comes with 3 luxe lip trios, or duos, sorry, not trio. So you get a liquid lipstick, and their luxe liquid lipsticks are actually really nice. They're one of the thinnest liquid lipsticks I've ever used. It's not like thick and goopy and doesn't dry, crusty. They're really incredible formulas. So there's one called Contessa, and it is a very kind of mid-tone pink. Then there is one called Splendor, and it is more of a nude pink. The last one's called Elegant. It is more of like a peachier, more corally, and I believe that's the one that goes with the warmer eyeshadow palette. So all 3 lip kits, duos, have a liquid lipstick and a gloss. As I mentioned before, I really like their formulas for both. And then you also get 3 blushes. You get a more like purpley, kind of rosy pink, you get a more kind of dusty rose pink, and then you get a really peachy pink. So again, you're kind of going off of like neutral, cool, and warm. So it's going to be really cool to kind of try each different undertone. I can show you guys the palettes, I'll swatch them and all that. So that's to come. I definitely was excited about ColourPop. I've always been a fan of their formula, always been a fan of their color schemes. Their quality is incredible, and I was really excited about that. I actually also have the Stone Fox palette as well, so the review of that is coming too. That's one of their newer palettes. I don't think it's their holiday collection. I think it was like their fall collection, so that is also to come, and stay tuned for that. The next brand is NYX. Holiday collection is called Diamonds and Ice. There's a liner, there's some lipsticks, there's jelly shadows, there's butter gloss trios, there's a setting spray kit. There's actually quite a bit of stuff. They have a 6-pan eyeshadow palette. They have a mega palette. So from this whole collection, which is, as I mentioned, very large, I think the ones that I would be interested in, I think that I would probably get the 6-pan palette in Diamond Delirious, just because I really, really like that color scheme. And then I would probably want to try one of their Diamond and Ice lip toppers. I do think that they look really cool, like they're really glittery glosses. I love their butter gloss as well, but I do have some. I would probably want to try their jelly shadow and then their liner. Honestly, this collection looks really cool too. I think that the color scheme looks nice. I like, you know, the kits that it comes with, so I would probably be interested in this collection. The things that I probably would pass on, I mean, I'd honestly be interested in trying a lot of it. I don't think there's anything in this collection that like makes me want to go, no. Some of the kits and the trios and the gift sets I'd skip, just because I'm not really interested in getting gift sets. I just want to like test the real. Obviously, in a perfect world, I'd get it all, but yeah. Then you go to Morphe. And from Morphe, I actually purchased the eyeshadow palette. So this collection comes with the 35 pan eyeshadow palette, and it actually looks really incredible. I'm really excited to do a video for you guys. Review on the palette, swatches, and the whole shebang. This collection looks really cool. It's actually inspired by Ashley Strong, who is the winner of Instant Influencer, and it's just like a very berry toned palette, very pink and berry and a little bit of purple, definitely winter themed, and I mean, I'm down with it. It looks really beautiful. I did not get the brush kit or the face shimmers or the lip trios, just because I do have quite a bit of stuff from Morphe. They're nice, they really are. So if it's something that looks cool to you, like I like their lip products, I just didn't really need that, so I just went with the eyeshadow palette. Milani has some holiday stuff as well. I'm actually really interested in their Cream Kiss Cream Blush. I don't know if this was made for the holiday collection, but they do have the bundle. I would probably get them all because like I'm always down for a cream blush, and I'm really interested in this new formula from Milani. So Orpha, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that, and I apologize if I'm not, collabed with Milani for some holiday kits. They have, it looks like a more warm toned and a more cool toned. I think that I would probably go actually with the warm toned one. I think that that one calls my name. It is the Monochromatic Realness kit. I think that's one thing that I would be interested in. They also have like a blush vault. I love their baked blushes. I think they are really, really nice. So if you love Milani blushes, they do have a whole kit. So I'd probably skip the rest. The only thing that I would be interested in from their holiday collection is trying one of their gilded palettes. You can get the whole bundle, 2 eyeshadow palettes, and then 3 palettes that are eye and face. They have some face products in there as well. You can get all 5 for $73.31, and these prices are in Canadian, by the way. I'll have the US prices down below. That's actually a really good deal. Regular $113.95. And then like the How Many brands from Makeup Revolution, I don't even know which is which anymore. There's a ton of stuff from Makeup Revolution. No, Makeup Revolution, there's stuff from XX Revolution, there's stuff, like there's so many different collections within and like brands within Makeup Revolution. I'm always kind of confused as to what is what. Some of their stuff's okay, but I'm just not like as into it. They do have an advent calendar. They have the You Are the Revolution gift set. They have Makeup Revolution, the Rockstar gift set. They have the XX Revolution Celestial collection. There's a ton of stuff. The Glow collection. They have a ton of sets. If you like Makeup Revolution, they actually have some pretty cool sets at some pretty reasonable prices. I don't mind their face makeup. Like I like their like contour stuff, you know, cheek products. I don't mind their foundation and concealer. So the eyeshadow palette that I think I'm most intrigued by is the Makeup Revolution Precious Glamour Mega Star Eyeshadow Palette Diamond Edition. I really like the color scheme of this. It was really hard to choose though, because there were some nice looking palettes. I haven't always been a huge fan of Makeup Revolution's eyeshadow, to be completely honest, but there's been a few palettes that I've tried that I've actually really enjoyed. So this color scheme looks most interesting to me. I haven't tried a ton of Makeup Revolution's lip products. So the lipstick that I actually would probably pick is the Makeup Revolution Precious Glamour Butterfly Lipstick. The color that's shown in this picture here looks much darker than the swatches online, so if I were to actually get it, I would hope that it stays true to the swatch, because the swatch looks a little bit more nude rather than more like rose, and I really love nude lipsticks. And then actually another one that I'm interested in is the Makeup Revolution Precious Glamour Bling Balm Lip Gloss Opulent Light Beam. These are some long names. The reason I'm so intrigued by it is, number one, Bling Balm, like Gloss Bomb by Fenty Beauty. Do we have a dupe here? Maybe. The name's very similar. The packaging, obviously not the same, but applicator looks similar. Yeah, so I think that I would want to try that. I think I would maybe just do the clear, like just a clear gloss to put on any type of lip, you know, combo or lipstick. So the very last brand that I'm going to be talking about is e.l.f. This brand I also really like. I've always, you know, maybe not always, but I've very frequently been happy with their makeup. And I think the stuff that looks really intriguing to me is some of their brush kits. I do recommend their brushes. I think they're good quality for drugstore. I'd probably be interested in Gorgeous Biddy's 10-piece brush set. I think that's a really good price. The Sugar High 7-piece brush set that looks like it is more eye focused, and that's interesting to me. Their Hot Chocolate Eye Sugar Cookie palette, I think that the color scheme looks nice, and it's just, I like e.l.f.'s eyeshadow, so I'm interested in that. I really actually would like to try, maybe not the whole vault, but I would like to try some of their All That Glitters liquid eyeshadow because I've heard great things about it. You can also get from their collection different like skincare kits. You can get different like prime kits. There's so, honestly, it's like never ending. I won't go through them all. The one thing I would really like to try is the Candied Cheeks palette. I love their blush formula, so I would like to try that. I actually think this rose gold matte lip vault is really cute, so if I was looking for like a gift for somebody or maybe like a gift for myself, that would maybe be on my wish list. I'm not getting all of this, but that definitely looks cute. I like the packaging and I really like their lip products. I think from all of that, that would be what I would probably get. Like, you could just go through all of this for days. There's so many different brush kits. There's different like eyeshadow palette kits, lip kits, really cute gifts, and e.l.f. Cosmetics is so good. I think this is also good for like stocking stuffers, for all that stuff. They have really good kits put together for low prices. Like, you can get a whole skincare kit for $15. That actually looks interesting to me as well. I've been interested in e.l.f. skincare, so I would maybe think about getting that. I honestly, in a perfect world, as I've said before, would potentially get all of this because it just looks so good. And then the last thing is the lip balm set, because I do want to try their lip balm. There's so many things from e.l.f. I have yet to try and I need to. So those are what the things that stand out to me. There's so much more in this collection, and I'm sure there's more drugstore collections out there. I didn't see any from L'Oreal. I didn't see any from Maybelline. I didn't see any from Revlon. Physicians Formula didn't have one. So yeah, this is the bulk of the drugstore holiday collection launches that are out there right now. Stay tuned for the stuff that I've already ordered and potentially some more drugstore reviews coming soon, because this just kind of sparked my interest once again. Maybe I'll be like going online shopping tonight. If you like videos like this, the kind of what will I buy type wish list, I can do this like monthly maybe. If you're interested in that, comment below. I actually have a lot of fun with this. It kind of helps me break down what's new. Let's talk about what's new out there and take a look at what it is online, and kind of just discuss it a little bit, and I can give you my opinion on what's new and what looks good to me. So if you guys enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and don't forget to enter the giveaway that's going on right now. All the information is in the description below, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much. Bye.